Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a like. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of the specific unit or anything else we have in our lot, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we got a very rare vehicle here. Not so much rare, the color's rare. It's hard to find a regular cab 3500s Cummins diesel long bed that's not white. Guys, we have a variety of different selection in our regular cab, and this is just one example. A very, very nice bright blue color. This does have the Sport package on it, which is going to give you the factory colored front bumper, as you can see there. It also is going to have a monitoring system located along the front bumper. That's going to notify you when you're getting awful close to the vehicle or when you're getting into them tight parking spots. Nice feature to have. Really nice factory upgraded rim, as you can see there. That's an 18-inch rim with a really nice tire rack. That's Firestone tire. Factory blacked out step-up bar, as you can see there. 8-foot bed, if I did not mention that already. And also with that Sport package, you also are going to get a factory rear painted bumper just like this one. And also it's going to have rear monitoring systems along the back. This vehicle does come with the tow package, which is going to give you your hitch and your 4 and 7 pin wiring hookup. Also, another feature with this, it does have a factory backup camera on this vehicle. So no need to worry about that when you're backing up into the tight spots. You have a factory backup system. This vehicle comes with a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty. It also has extended coverage on the powertrain, guys. So no need to worry about that, and you're still going to get decent fuel economy when it comes to a very heavy duty truck, when it comes to this particular unit in general. On the inside, guys, it's going to have all your bells and whistles that you're accustomed to. Power side mirrors, power folding mirrors, power windows, and power locks. It also is going to have power driver's seat with a power lumbar, automatic overhead headlighting located right here, power foot pedestals, cloth seat, as you can see, seating up to 3 on this particular unit. So what happens is this center console can flip up and be used as a seat, or obviously it can be laid down just like that with 3 cup holders and a nice little center console. You're also going to have hands-free capability where you can program your phone with these 2 buttons up here directly into this truck. You no longer have to reach for it while driving down the road. Simply hit the phone button, carry on the conversation directly through your speaker system. These 4 buttons here are going to operate your instrument cluster, which is located here in the center between your RPM gauge and your miles per hour gauge. Cruise control, you also do have option to adjust your radio on the back of the steering wheel. Very nice radio, large touchscreen radio, AM, FM, Sirius XM radio with a free subscription when purchasing this vehicle brand new. A bunch of apps that are built into this particular truck. You also do have a built-in compass in this truck also. All your volume controls are located right here, and all your AC and heat controls are these 3 center knobs located right here. Factory trailer brake control, tow haul button, exhaust brake, and we also does have 6 auxiliary switches built into this from the factory. Everything's push button when it comes to the 4-wheel drive high and low, along with the neutral. Push button start, which is located right there, as you can see. It also does have universal garage door openers built in right up top here. You can program up to 3 garage door openers into that. There is a small area behind the driver and passenger seat for storage, so there is a little bit of room inside this cab for storage. Guys, very hard vehicle to find when it comes to a color scheme on a regular cab 3500 like this one. 2019 Ram 3500, 4-wheel drive, big horn with the Sport package, step-up bars, factory 8.4-inch touchscreen radio, alloy wheels, and much more. This vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a like. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of the specific unit or anything else we have like this, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com.